Hey everyone, my name is Will. Welcome to Room and Goods. So I recently got the Oculus Quest 2 and I'm really enjoying my time in VR. In fact, I find it difficult to go back to the Quest 1 once you start using the Quest 2. Now the price of the headset is amazing for the amount of power that you're getting. However, we may have to spend a little bit more money on an accessory to help with the comfort of wearing the headset, because it can get uncomfortable for some of us. Plus, for hygienic reasons, you may want to consider looking at this, but is the additional accessory worth it? Well, let's find out. So I think the Oculus Quest 2 is a great standalone VR headset, but it still has an issue of comfort for some of us. Now, I don't want to say all of us because comfort is subjective. If you find it uncomfortable, I think one of the accessories that can help improve the overall comfort of the headset and even hygienic reasons is VR Cover's facial interface that costs $29 US. If you look at the Oculus Quest 2 original stock facial interface, it can absorb anything from sweat to bacteria, which makes it difficult to clean. As of right now, the stock interface doesn't irritate my skin, but I know a buildup of things like sweat over the months if I play active VR games can eventually irritate my skin. So I think VR Cover is a great alternative to help improve the overall VR experience. So I just got the VR facial interface that just got shipped this week. It comes with one facial interface with a detachable nose guard and two foam replacements. Now what makes VR Cover's facial interface different from the stock version is the passive vent designs to help cool the person while playing, plus it helps prevent lenses from fogging up, especially if you're playing active VR games. And it comes with a removable nose guard, which is a silicone material that helps decrease the light leakage around the headset, whereas the stock version does not have that option. So when using VR Cover's version, there's very little light leakage around the headset. As far as the foam replacement, the material is PU leather. It comes in two versions, the thinner standard foam version that is designed to bring you closer to the lens for a wider field of view, and a comfort version which is a thicker foam replacement. Personally, I prefer the standard version because of the increased FOV. Now, depending on your face shape and size, the experience will be different for everyone. It's soft to the touch and nicely contours around the face, and of course the big plus for me, it's easy to clean if there's any dirt, oils, or sweat. It feels comfortable against the skin, resulting in longer playing sessions, and it seems to make the headset feel even lighter as I feel less pressure. So as far as the installation process, it does come with a set of instructions that helps guide you through the process, but it's actually pretty easy to install. So the first step is to take off the stock facial interface. Personally, I started with unsnapping it from the bottom and working my way up, then just simply gently pulling it up. Next, attach the foam replacement along the Velcro strips of the facial interface. Now you can detach the nose guards if it bothers you during gameplay, but I'm gonna leave it on. So personally, I started with the ends of the foam replacement by lining it up with the nose guards. Then I stuck the rest of the foam replacements onto the Velcro strips. As a side note, I had to readjust my foam replacements up on top to be a bit higher just because the sensors from the Quest 2 can pick it up and it will not turn off automatically when I take off the headset. So next, simply install the VR facial interface on the Quest 2 by pressing it down until you hear a clicking sound from the top and nose area. And that's about it, it's ready to use. As far as cleaning, it is recommended to clean it with the alcohol-free antibacterial wipes, or you can wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. And by the way, it's not actually machine washable, so it's not waterproof, but rather water resistant that protects from things like sweat from soaking through. So I personally keep a microfiber cloth handy after each use. And here's some additional information that you may want to consider. So if you're wondering if this VR Cover facial interface fits the Quest 1, it doesn't actually fit because the Quest 2 has a different size and shape. But they do have a version of this for the Quest 1, which I use daily and I definitely recommend it as well. I'll put a link below if you are interested. As of right now, they're not selling the Quest 2 VR Cover facial interface on their personal site, but that may actually change in the future. Currently, you can purchase them on the Oculus online store. If you are thinking about buying additional phone replacements, as of right now, they don't have that option. You must buy it with the facial interface. So I definitely think the VR facial interface and the phone replacement is worth the price of the $29 as I personally feel it helps improve the overall VR experience. If you purchase the Quest 2 64GB model that costs $299, it will increase the price to around $329, but it's still cheaper than the original Quest 1, which cost $399. So you may want to consider this accessory because it is a quality product that I recommend to everyone. Plus, VR Cover did change some of their material that meets Oculus standards, like the removable nose guards that are medical grade silicone, and they did switch to a new biocompatible leather that is environmental friendly. So let me know if you're willing to spend an extra $29 for the VR cover's facial interface, and if you think it's worth the price. As always, if you liked the video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.